What's going on, guys? It's Josh from TradingPriceAction.com, and I'm here this week bringing you the week ahead video. This is for the week of October 13th through the 18th. So the first thing we're going to do is get a little trade update on the British Pound US Dollar daily chart. As you can see, this pin bar right here is where I entered the trade, entry right here, and the stop loss was up on the top of the pin bar wick. As you can see, the trade has dropped down about, it's dropped down about 218 pips. So I'm 218 pips in profit. As you can see, it's closed below the second take profit level, so that means I bring my stop loss up to the first take profit level. So that means I've locked in about 112 pips so far. The next target we're going for is for prices to close below this take profit level right here. Once prices close below here, I'll move my stop loss up to the second take profit level. So that's just a little trade update on the British Pound US Dollar trade that I'm currently in. Next I'm looking at is the EURCAD daily chart. On this chart, we can see this resistance zone right here has been respected right here, and it looks like it's been respected again right here. So once we see that, we know we should be looking for a trade setup. What we see right here in this square is a sandwich trade setup, a bearish sandwich trade setup. What that entails is that there's one bar, an inside bar, and then a bigger engulfing bar that engulfs the inside bar, and also rejects a resistance line right here. So as you can see, it's a very solid sandwich trade setup, and I'm just going to run through real quick how to set the entry points and stop loss. So the entry would be at the bottom of the wick right here. Change that to green for you guys. It's green, and then the stop loss would be at the top of the wick right here. Change that to red. So that's about 99, 98, 97 pips risk. And if I was to set the take profit levels real quick, I'd probably set them one about right there. Change it to blue. Set them there. One there. And then probably one in that area right there. So that's just a quick how I'd set this trade up, the entry, stop loss, and the 3 take profit levels. Now let's go to the 4-hour charts and take a look at those. So the first 4-hour chart we're going to be looking at is a US dollar peso 4-hour chart, and this is actually, I went over this chart on Thursday's currency spotlight, where price was still inside this range right here. I think this bar right here was forming, but I was talking about two scenarios that could happen on this: price come up here, break through, and then go up, or bars to go in here, bust through, come back, and then price go down. As you can see, the latter happened. Prices burst through the bottom of this range right here with this big bearish bar right here. Now that we have that, see that the bottom of the range is broken, we know that the market is more than likely in a downtrend. So what we're going to be looking for now is a couple bars, and then for prices to make its way back up in this area right here. And then for a nice bearish price action trade setup to occur for us to enter short. Right there. So basically we're looking for prices to come up here, and then for prices to shoot back down. So this is exactly what we were looking for in the currency spotlight, and it actually is happening right now. So next thing we should really look for is, like I said, is a bearish price action trade setup to happen right on this support turn resistance zone right here. Now let's take a look at the CAD yen 4-hour chart. Really quick, let's see what we have on this is that we have a support and resistance line right here that has been respected multiple times right here, and prices are coming up to it again right here. are approaching the resistance zone. And what we should be looking for here is either for prices to burst through, come back, retouch, and go up, or prices that come up here, probably the next bar even, come up and then shoot back down. This is going to happen pretty soon, probably the first couple bars, maybe the first for the sell. But if we're looking to go long, it's going to be a couple more bars to burst through and then actually come back down, set up a trade, and then to go long. So this could be a trade that could be happening today, or it could be a trade that's happening tomorrow at some point. That's it for the CAD yen. And then the last currency pair we're going to be looking at is a US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. What caught my eye on this one is that there's just strong resistance here, touch here, and then some stuff over here. I think this is a strong resistance, support and resistance zone, and that prices have burst through right here, and actually have come back down, and a wick has touched this right here, touched the support zone. I wish it wouldn't have had the wick right here, so we'd have a couple more bars and a clean touch right here to go back up. But it did touch here, so we have to be careful for the bearish price action trade setups to form. We're going to have to watch, make sure that it's a good, clear, strong, bullish price action trade setup. But yeah, that's all for the week ahead, for that week of October 13th through the 18th. Leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think and what you guys are looking for the upcoming trading week. But that is all for this week, so until next time, safe trading.